What's up guys, it's Luc Francoeur from TechWizard channel. I decided to start a whole new series of videos about some mods that I made to my Commodore machine, especially the Commodore 64 and the Commodore VIC-20. So, yep. I made a internal, what is it called? It's an internal memory upgrade for the VIC-20, pushing it up to something around 27K of RAM, and a video about modding the C64 and the VIC-20 modem to make them work on Wi-Fi, so you're gonna be able to connect back to all your good old BBS websites and play those door games and multiplayer stuff. Because yeah, back in the days before internet, there was multiplayer games. Well, text-based for sure, but some of them are quite nice and funny. Even as today, with all the retro community, there's a lot of BBS popping up on the internet, and actually I'm gonna show some of them that's worth playing. Well, that's about it for the intro of the Commodore Machine series. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. Hit the thumbs up if you like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in part 1, the C64 modem mod. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.